Standard 5th, Subject Mass. Let's revise. Topic, Metric Measures. What is measurement? We often ask very common questions like, what is your age? What is the length of this room? How long are you waiting? Etc. This all can be measured using measurements. Measurement is the action of measuring something. This measurement can be done with the help of metric system. The metric system is a system of weight and measures in which all units are 10 or multiples of 10. The metric system of measurement was developed by French scientists during French Revolution. This system is first adopted in France. Today, this system is used all over the world except in USA and Myanmar. We can measure different quantities like time, weight, volume, temperature, length and speed using this metric system. Now let's see the standard units. The standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of mass is gram. The standard unit of capacity is liter. You can see the different units of length on the screen. Now you can see the different units of mass. These are the different units to measure the capacity. Now you can see on the screen all the metric units together for length, mass and capacity. The basic units are meter, gram and liter. Every move to the left makes the unit 10 times bigger. For example, if you take meter, it becomes decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Every move to the right makes the unit 10 times smaller. For example, if you take gram, it becomes decigram, centigram and milligram. Now let's revise about conversion of units. We can convert higher units into lower units and lower units into higher units using metric system. To convert a higher unit into lower unit, multiply the unit by 10 for each step as we move towards right. Let's consider one example. Convert 38 meters into centimeter. Here, meter is a higher unit or big unit. To convert it into lower unit, we have to go to the right hand side by 2 steps to get the centimeter as a unit. So, we have to multiply 38 by 10 into 10, that is by 100. So, let's multiply 38 with 100. That will give you 3800 and unit is centimeter. So, the answer to this question is 3800 centimeter. And from this we have learned the conversion rule is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now let's consider one of the example from your textbook. Convert 418 centimeter into meters. When you think over it, you will come to know that centimeter is a smaller unit than meter or it is a lower unit than meter. What we learned that to convert a lower unit into a higher unit, divide the unit by 10 for each step we move towards the left side. Here we have to move 2 steps to left. So we divide this unit by 100. So let's divide 418 by 100. 418 divided by 100 gives quotient as a 4. We are writing this quotient in meter. It will also give you remainder R as 18. This R is written in centimeters. So answer to this question is 4 meter and 18 centimeters. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.